In this video, I'm at the Westmorland Gloucester Services on the M5 on both the northbound and southbound side, as there's further EV charger expansion happening here. So here on the northbound side, there's currently 8 Tesla Superchargers which are open to all EVs, and 7 Westmorland chargers serving 13 bays. And they're currently installing an additional 6 chargers here, which add a further 12 charging bays. These look as if they're nearly finished and could be going live very soon, and maybe will be by the time you're watching this video. So when they are, the northbound services will have a total of 33 EV charging bays. These Westmorland branded chargers are operated by eVolt Charging and are currently 69 pence per kilowatt hour, which is currently amongst the cheapest for DC rapid charging in the UK. But I can only see 7 original Westmorland chargers here, yet on ZapMap it says there's 8. The one at the end is a 50 kilowatt charger and has a CHAdeMO connector as well as CCS2, and this charger can only charge a single vehicle at a time. The rest are all 300 kilowatt dual CCS chargers, splitting the power between 2 bays. The Tesla Superchargers are version 4 250 kilowatt and are open to all EVs, not just Teslas. The current price of the Superchargers is 57p per kilowatt hour for non-Teslas and 41p for Tesla drivers or those with a Supercharger membership. While I was here, the Tesla Superchargers were full, with the non-Teslas paying 12p per kilowatt hour cheaper than the others charging opposite. But the Westmorland chargers were almost full too, so doubling the charging bays will be welcomed here. Now I'm on the southbound side, and this was a little quieter here, but the same charger expansion is underway here too. At this site there are 8 Tesla version 4 Superchargers, which again are open to all EVs, and 6 Westmorland chargers serving 12 bays, with an additional 8 new chargers which are already powered up and by the looks of it about to go live. So on the southbound side, that now means there's 36 EV charging bays. While I was here, an eVolt engineer was working on one of the chargers. With the exception of Tesla, the majority of other UK networks are charging 80 to 90p per kilowatt hour for DC rapid charging. These Westmorland chargers are very competitive at 69p, especially at Motorway services, and are the 3rd cheapest in the UK after Tesla and Believe. However, while Believe are charging only 66p for their DC rapid chargers, from what I can see, they're only 50 kilowatt. I hope you found this video useful, and please do click the thumbs up, comment and share it. And if you'd like to see other videos on the UK EV charging infrastructure, see the link below to the playlist. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please do at least click the thumbs up button. And leaving a comment also helps too, as does subscribing to the channel. If it's been particularly useful, or maybe it saved you money or time, then please consider a donation using the Super Thanks button. There's over 1,200 videos on this channel, so please have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists.